Peace, family. Right now, I just want to let you all know that although I'm still helping you all, and I'm still doing things to help you all have good credit, I want to show you what you can achieve with great credit. So you can get bonus mileage, free flights, etc. Right now, I'm in Malaysia, which is Southeast Asia. And as you can see behind me, there's a Buddhist statue right there. And if you look up, you can see the tower. And so I'm having a great time, and I'm using my good credit to be able to go wherever I want to go around the world. And you can do this too. So I want to let you all know that I want to be able to help you to be able to do the things that you see me doing. Right now I'm in Malaysia. I'll also be in Thailand for about a week or so, but I'm still answering emails. I'm still helping you all because I want you all to be successful as well. So those of you who want to have good credit and want to be able to experience the good things in life, feel free to contact me. I want to help you. I can help you get these things, the same things that you see, but you have to believe and trust that you can do it. It's all in your mind. All right, family? So you all have a good one. You all have a safe one, and I'll talk to you all soon. Peace.